snapped, the vents collapsed, the valves unclasped. Now I ignite what's never lit, a shadow praying in a pit.